Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good. And today I'm here to tell you about the updates about my channels and about the upcoming videos. So you all people are get bored from chunks. You know why I was making chunks? Just because I was not able to prepare shapes. But these days I'm little well and I'm trying to make shapes. So as you can see, this is red dirt and soft sand cement. I'm trying to do the whole crush or smashing with these shapes. There are so many textures which are prepared. You all people are asking about the charcoal and the charcoal ashes texture. Actually they are prepared, but suddenly there was rain and these get wet again. That is why I was not able to post these, but these will take at least 2 more days to dry. So after 2 days you people will be able to see the videos of these textures. I'm just trying to fulfill your request. You have requested me for charcoal ashes, and some of requesting for balls, so I have prepared pure cement balls as well. And so many textures are prepared. Soon I'm going to post all videos, and these days I'm posting new videos, not the old one. So please don't say again old videos. I'm not posting old videos, they all are new. And I'm just trying to fulfill all your requests one by one. And you also ask me why I'm not making white sand cement. So these days, like from 15 to 20 days, there is rain daily. So I have made this boundary with the white sand cement, so that the water will not go inside that. My texture can be saved. All other textures I am already using, just the charcoal was not used. I prepared the shapes, and soon you will see the result. Like after 1 or 2 days I'll post the video. That texture, you know, I prepared for live crumbling, but due to my health issue I wasn't able to do. But soon definitely I'll do. You all people have so many requests and so many complaints as well, like why I'm not doing this, that. You know that I was not well, how I could do anything. So it's my humble request to you people, please wait, everything will come. I will prepare shapes, I will prepare new textures, give me some time. I'm too busy. Please don't get angry, please don't complain. Everything will be done, your request will be fulfilled. Whatever shape, whatever texture you want, I'll show you everything. Give me some time please, it's my request to you. Just feel, I was not well for 15 to 20 days, and it's really like stressful. Of those days were very stressful for me, and it was very difficult to come up and to do the work. But still I'm trying to post whatever I can. Once I'll be fully recovered, definitely you will see everything on my channel. So don't worry, please don't complain. I know there are negative and positive people. If you are running a YouTube channel, I know we have to face the negative comments and negative people, so I don't worry about that. But there are some good people who are putting negative comments and something like which is irrelevant. I'm requesting, please don't do that. I'll definitely do whatever you want. Can't you give me just a few days? Like, I'm running the channel from a year, so you people are not even able to wait for 15 days. You know that I'll do everything. Please try to understand. Everything will be done. Just please wait for 15 days more. I'll do everything, whatever you know, whatever you like, whatever you request. Previously also I was doing everything. I was the only one who was fulfilling each and everyone's request. And these days, just 1 month passed and you people start complaining. Like, I was surprised that there are so many people who support me, who loves me, who put so many beautiful comments. Those makes me feel so happy. I'm not telling this to everyone. You people are so beautiful, so nice, so kind. You are watching my old videos, you people are helping me, thank you so much for that. But there are still some people who are not understanding the situation. I'm just telling to those people, I will be doing live crumbling, I will be making new shapes, I will be making chunks, I will be making whatever you like. The white sand, cement, charcoal, everything will come soon. You just need to wait. Also, these days daily there is rain. I have to protect my stuff every day. That is why it is not getting dry soon and taking time to post the videos. Like from 3 days continuously there is rain. So how the texture will dry, how I will post the video? It's really difficult. I don't have any other place where I can keep my stuff. This is the roof is the only place where I keep my stuff. So if the sunshine will be, the stuff will get dry and then I will be able to post the video. Otherwise I am not able to post. The stuff gets wet. If I make the video with the wet stuff, do you like? No, nobody likes. Everyone wants the stuff to be dried properly. So I always allow my stuff to dry properly, then only I make videos. You can see I have prepared so many stuffs. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 textures are prepared. Still you people say new texture, old texture. I don't know what happens to you people. I'm literally surprised. Like suddenly you people are commenting negative comments and you're behaving very rude. I don't care. But if you don't like my videos, if you don't want to see, why don't you skip? Why you give stress to your health? Like if you don't like, just skip this, don't watch. We make videos to make you relax, not to give you stress. My health is not allowing me to make videos, the weather is not allowing me to make the videos. So there are so many things which are happening to me, but suddenly I'll come up from those things. I'll definitely prepare whatever you like. Still I'm trying to post new videos. Like today also I'm just thinking to make the smashing videos. You people are requesting. Some of you are requesting to make balls. Balls are prepared. Some of you requested charcoal. I prepared the charcoal. Some you requested to make charcoal ashes video. I will prepare, but those are not dried. If you want to make me a video with the damp stuff, I will, but I want you to see the dusty and dried videos. That is why I'm just waiting to dry that stuff. That was already previously dried, but after the rain that again get wet. That is why I'm not making the videos properly. But soon I'm making new videos and I'm trying to post 2 new videos on ASMR and 1 new video on SASMR channel. Soon you will see each and everything on my channel, and I really love you people. You people are really supportive. Some of the people are really worried about my health. Now I'm totally okay. I'm working properly. I'm making videos, I'm making shapes, so don't worry. Now I'm feeling well. I'll post the videos whatever you like. Just keep supporting the way you were supporting me. I love you all. Like if whatever you want I'll do, no worry. I know some of you people have more expectations from me. That is why you are putting the comments. I understand everything. That is why I'll try to do everything. We have so much time. I'm not going anywhere. So these days I'm also thinking to start any type of series, like 2 type of texture series, any specific shape or something like. I'll definitely do. Previously I was doing, so I'll start. But once I have to recover, then only I will be able to make videos for you people. Hope you will understand what I'm saying, and I really love you people. Please try to understand. I'll definitely do whatever you want, and I love you all. If you have any specific question, you can put down, and soon you will be see live crumbling. Soon you will be see a live video. We will be doing everything. So be happy, be positive. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.